Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And it's everybody's favorite day of the month, or it's just mine, Mystery Nail Art Challenge with the Nailed It nail cards. This is the hand we're going to use, and I'm going to take this off, but I'm keeping the shape because I put these on not that long ago and I don't want to destroy my fingers to remove them, so we're not picking a shape. Alright, let's shuffle these up and then we will draw some cards. Hopefully I don't have to make ugly nails this month. Y'all know how it is. Let's take a color. Oh, I can't say that's my favorite color palette. They're like yellow greens. And we're going to accentuate it with lettering. I can work with that because I just got a whole bunch of supplies with fonts. But our theme is going to be designer. Okay, I have a couple of designer brand nail stickers and those generally have letters on them. It's not going so bad. I do not know a brand that's colored like this. And I guess we have to take a treasure because I don't think we have any alternatives at this point. Gold. Okay. Okay. Could be worse. At least the gold is compatible with this color palette. So we're off to a great start. Gold, designer with lettering, and the greeny yellow color family. Let me gather supplies. Okay. I've got some stuff together. I've decided to go with these polishes. I'm going to be using a black too because I need to. And then I've got these stickers. We're going to do Chanel. And then I've got some rhinestones and a couple of $sign charms. This is going to be an experiment. I don't know how it's going to look, but we'll find out. First, we need to get our base paints down because these are going to need to dry before we start trying to stick stickers to them. Otherwise, they won't stick. It'll peel up. Goodness, I did a terrible job painting that. Let me clean it up. Okay, so these are our colors. Definitely gonna need a second coat, so I will come back after I get that on there. Okay, so I've got that. Now we need to do a little color blocking with this one as well, so I'm gonna put some on a palette, and then I'm gonna use this striping brush. And then more than likely, I'm gonna have to go over this twice for opacity, but we're gonna do the best we can. There we go. Now we're getting a little bit of straightening. Straight lines are hard, especially going sideways. You might not have been able to see very much of that, but now we can go in with the bottle brush and do the bottom half. See if we can't smooth this out a little bit too. Gotta work kind of fast. Yeah, I'll definitely have to do a second coat. Now we're gonna go down this one. And then this one I'm gonna have to fill in with this little brush because the bottle brush is gonna be too wide to get in here. Okay, looking pretty decent. I think it's mostly straight. So I gotta let those two dry and then I'll do a second coat and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have got that color blocking put on and I put the black lines that I needed for dividers. So now it is time to start working on the stickers. First, let's do these. These are the easy ones. So I need one Chanel word. I'll put it over here. I think that's cute. And then we're gonna take one with the logo and then put it over here. And try and put it on straight. I guess we'll see if I'm successful. I think that's kind of straight. Yes, okay, good. Got that one on there. And then I also have my little leopard stickers cut out. This is going to be a bit harder because they have to go around a curve and flat stickers don't like curves. So that will be the challenge. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna put this right here so we have something. Okay, it's not horrible. And then we'll trim. All right, I think it's pretty cute. Little yellow leopard. We're gonna do the same thing on this one. Yes, that's looking good. All right, I'm liking it. And then we're gonna put one on the bottom half here as well. All right, I think that looks amazing as well. Now I'm gonna need to go in and top coat these so that we can seal these stickers in before we move on to any of that decorating. We don't want these peeling up in the meantime. All right, I'll come back when that's dry. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the 4 rhinestones only. This is air dry, works really great. We're gonna do some decorating. So the first thing I wanna get on is the big charm. And we're gonna put it right here in the middle. You'll want to evaluate the straightness by looking down the barrel of it and looking at it this way. I think that's pretty straight. What do you think? That's pretty cute. Okay, and then we'll let that dry. Over here I'm going to do a bit more of a decorative situation. So we're going to put this on a little bit at a time. Actually, I think that's pretty straight. I just noticed that the bottom slope is bigger than the top. I could have put it either direction, but I'm glad I put it this direction. Definitely gonna have to clean these rhinestones up after because they've got wax all over them. I'm gonna let these big ones dry a minute before we go in and start adding more because I don't want them sliding around while we're trying to work on them. All right, let's put some more on here. All right, what do you think? I like it. I think it's pretty cute. Kind of hard to look at, but it'll be easier to see in the photos. Okay, so now we need to pause a moment on the rhinestones because I'm gonna go in and put down some matte on a couple of these. One of them being this one, but I gotta get it around this charm. And then I also want to mattify this thumb. Okay, and then once those are dry, we'll resume the rhinestoning because I'm going to put some over here. Let's do a little bit of rhinestoning on here. We're just going to kind of put them on like a sprinkling of accent. So like here can be one and here can be one. Let's start with those 2. Can't do too many at a time or it'll dry. Stick one over here and right here, and then maybe one right here, and then one over here. Now for where the shiny got outside of the stone, I can go in and kind of clean that up with the mat once it's nice and dry. Look how cute that is. You think maybe I should put one up here? And then maybe one down here. What do you think? 2 more? Okay, let's do 2 more. I think I need one over here to kind of balance it out. Luckily, I have one more sitting out. There. I think that's perfect. What do you think? And then we've got this over here. That's really all that I think we should do. We've got our little leopard, we've got our money, we've got our gold, we've got our yellows. I like it. I can't think of anything else that we really need to add. I'm gonna go ahead and get some photos once I get these all cleaned up and shiny. You should be seeing those now. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it to the end. If you did, leave me a diamond emoji so that I know. Hit the like button if you liked this video. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. These cards will be linked below. I highly recommend you get them, especially if you get inspiration block or if you just want to challenge your own skill and expand your horizons. Let me know in the comments what you think of these nails and what you would have done if you got these colors and design to work with. And definitely make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing my videos when they are posted. We do all kinds of fun stuff over here, and so you want to be there for that. And definitely you want to catch those sneaky little giveaways. But that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.